We recently had a windstorm, and I'm not really sure whose that is, but I'm gonna have to maybe door knock and ask if anyone is missing a cover to their lawn furniture. Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's Saturday, it's in the morning, it is 10 a.m., kind of getting started late. I just wanted to veg around and do nothing. At any rate, there are some things that I need to get done today. I actually have a list, and I'm not really a list person. So the first thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go ahead and get the dishwasher unloaded, and then I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator because we need to go grocery shopping, and that is the best time to get your refrigerator cleaned out. And I'm also gonna clean out a little bit of some of the cabinets, like 2 or 3, because they're a hot mess and they're overflowing with all kinds of different things. So this is kind of my journey on to getting my kitchen organized. It's going to be in a few videos. It's not going to be all at once. Of course, the majority of these dishes are still wet, so I have to dry them off as I'm putting them away. How are all of you doing today? Leave a comment down below. The day that you're watching this, the very next day is my birthday. And for my birthday present for myself, I passed my insurance exam. Okay. So thank you to all of the people who were, sending me the nice messages and the prayers and the good vibes and all that great stuff. Much appreciated. I figure since these are nearly empty, I'm just going to go ahead and clean these. In case you're wondering, all of my silverware is right here. It's already clean and ready to go back into the little dividers. I purchased these dividers some years ago from Dollar Tree, and always keep in mind, if they don't have the colors that you like, you can spray paint them. This is what the fridge is looking like, nice and empty, like I said, because we do need to go grocery shopping. The liners in the refrigerator are from at home. I did a video a few years ago when I purchased them, and let me tell you, they hold up so well. I haven't, needed to buy any other liners, and if I need some, I'm just gonna go back there and get them. Okay, so just because I have liners in here does not mean those don't need to be wiped down as well, and the drawers definitely need to be cleaned out. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with wiping the inside of the refrigerator, which is not terrible, but if I'm cleaning off the liners, I wanna clean the rest of the refrigerator as well. So back to me getting my insurance license, let me just tell you how much God comes on time, because I was working for 2 different people, right? The first guy that I was working for was just not necessarily communicating. I've been working for this guy since December, and I've never had any clean rags or any clean mop heads or dust mop pads or anything like that. The other cleaner that's in that building also requested supplies, and he told her, oh, Kim's already requested them. So now it's the end of February. We still don't have supplies there. I asked him to clock me in and out of the system. He didn't. He told me that I could take some supplies from the church that I was working at. And I'm like, listen, I'm not about to steal from Jesus. I've been asking for supplies since December. I'm going to need for you to deliver them. The other guy that I was working for is just as bad, if not worse. He never communicates either. He still owes me money. I have not heard from him since February 10th. When people show you who they are, believe them, because this is just how these people are. They just don't communicate. They don't care. So you think to yourself like, well, why should I care? But Kim cares. Kim wants to make sure things are up to par and looking good. Long story short, I put my 2 weeks in, and hopefully he will get supplies, at the needed location and get someone who's good. Being that I've had a cleaning business before, there are certain things that you do and don't do. And let me tell you, neither one of these people obviously have not taken any kind of classes, haven't had any kind of mentors, or have never been in the business before, because their communication is not good. When they do decide to communicate, it's just terrible. And it's sad, because this is not how you run a business, especially when you have good workers. My theory in life is you never burn bridges, because you never know whose path you're going to have to cross one day. You also get what you give in life. You reap what you sow. Karma does not discriminate, okay? So just be mindful of those types of things in life. I just always try to show love and kindness to everyone, because I'm naturally a kind and bubbly person. You can ask anybody that knows me on a personal level, but it just takes a little bit too much energy to be angry. So yeah. That's just my story, and I hope you guys didn't think it was like too negative, but I like to keep it real on here. Here's what's in the drawers. Always remember that when you give joy to other people, you get more joy in return. I was actually doing a TikTok while filming this. Here's what the fridge is looking like. I didn't have much to throw away, but I feel like we have a lot of condiments. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have a lot of condiments in your refrigerator as well. The freezer is definitely not my domain. That is my husband's domain. He likes to organize in there. He likes to do whatever. However, it needs wiped out. So your girl got to handle it.
Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro. Back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home.
Since we don't use this often, it's not even really dirty, but I want to go ahead and get it wiped out anyway. We don't really eat canned goods, but people kept saying, you got to save food. There could be a food shortage. And I feel like there has been a food shortage, but it's been everything but the canned goods. One thing I must admit is this definitely overwhelms me, which is why I choose to not organize. This is a lot for me, okay? Like, it's just too much. It gives me the worst anxiety having just stuff all over the place. One is organized. It's clean. That's all that matters. Second cabinet, I got rid of a lot of stuff, so that is good to go as well. Let me show you what I got rid of. All of this stuff right here. This is the backsplash that I had chosen when we first moved in here. Okay, so let's see what cabinet number 3 is looking like. This is where I keep, you guys, for those of you who do not know, yes, I do own plates. I choose to use fine china, but that one I'm not gonna mess with. Now these probably really need some help in their lives. We're gonna work on this one. So I can't spend too much long trying to get this kitchen organized. So obviously I'm gonna do, you know, part of that in another video. Plus the rest of the kitchen really needs Jesus, and this part wasn't bad at all. I do have to sweep and mop my floors, and I also need to do a couch clean because it smells weird. Okay, I'm the type of person that I know something's dirty or I know something needs, you know, some type of attention because it smells weird, and we've been spending a lot of time in the living room, so I just want to go ahead and get a gypsy couch clean done. I know you've seen it 1,000 times, but if you're new, I do a gypsy couch clean on my couch, and I learned it from the Gypsy Sisters. What they do is they clean their couch every single morning with Pine Sol. I'm going to do mine with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, but like I said prior to that, I want to sweep and mop my floors with my new Shark Vac mop. That was a tongue twister. I do like this vac mop. However, I don't feel like it picks up the debris like a regular broom. Plus, I feel like, you know, sweeping is kind of therapeutic anyway, so I swept first. Here's what the pad is looking like from the floor.
Together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand.
It smells amazing in here. I really, really wish you could smell it.
So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're
I could probably dust my house every day and it would still be dusty, okay? I just live in a dust bucket. Let me know if you can relate to that. Throw pillows and the blankets from the couch in my rocking chair, but the couches look really good. I'm just gonna vacuum really quick now.
to me, you're always picture perfect.
vacuum lines look great, and I will wait for probably about 30 more minutes before I put the throw pillows and the blankets and all that great stuff back on the couch.
It has like conditioner, like deep conditioner in it.
I did put all of the pillows, not that I have a lot of pillows because I still haven't made the pillows that I've been trying to make for like, I don't know, the last 3 months. Let me turn this down. Okay, sorry, that was Prince, Little Red Corvette. Anyway, I put the pillows that I do have on my couch back on the couch, as well as the throw blanket. The reason that I showed you the clip of me washing my daughter's hair is because I bribed her. I said, hey, I will wash your hair if you wash the clothes. So she washed the clothes for me and I washed her hair, and I'm gonna tell you what, it was exhausting, so I probably could have ended up washing the clothes and just been fine, but at any rate it worked out. And I'm also going to make some dinner here in a little bit, but I need to take a break. Y'all know I have chronic fatigue syndrome and your girl is tired, so I'm going to lay down for a while and then I'll come back on and I will cook dinner. For today's lunch, we are having sweet potato fries and turkey burgers. In order to get the sweet potato fries crispy, I do add a little bit of flour. These are all of the clothes that need folded, and there are still 2 more loads, one in the washer right now and one in the dryer. Talk about utter disrespect.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate.
I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope that you are giving yourself some love and some grace, and you're taking really good care of yourself. Be sure to say your affirmations and just spread love and kindness.
Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh.
That, my friend, was a lot. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.
Baby, I will let you in. Ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher.
I don't want this video to be too long, so I will show you what we bought from the grocery store, but I'm not doing a haul. My husband had already started putting some of the things away, so this is only some of the groceries.
Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh.
The freezer is full now, and so is the fridge. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.